Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First up, we have Craft Fabric by Crafter Square. It's been a while. And this is kind of like velvet. It's kind of velvet. It's very soft. Very like you can make a pillow, the blue, the yellow, the orange. They're using a stripe way in the back. And there is one more here. It's kind of butterfly. Sorry, I do pick it up. Then we have some more. Is this kind of like Nautica theme because they have like fish, the whale, some like kind of like wave like. So you can feel that scene. And we have some home decor in the Easter spring theme. And they have the Easter bunny and a carrot. It's so cute. You can put it on a tier tray and give it that vibe, spring slash Easter. Then next we have the eggs. And you can also put those on the tier trays as well. They have the pink, yellow, blue, and green. Just the pale, soft colors for you to decorate even more. Then we have these Easter dome cups. And the decoration, it says do not eat. Those little bubble items in the inside. So they're decorative cups. They are so cute. Great for an Easter basket. Well, the infamous Hydrating Night Lip Mask by Be Pure. It's with hyaluronic acid, awesome, 0.3 ounces, and you can use it in the daytime or the night. But it says at night, put a thick layer. I usually just put it on at night. I did get carried away, well, a few, because this is the first time I'm seeing it. These are by LA Colors Juicy Cakes Lip Gloss, and they have several flavors like Cake and Kisses, Smart Cookie, Sweet Confection. And then we have the kind of more of like the lipstick one, Vanilla Icing, Peach Cobbler, Cherry Icing. These sound so tasty, and they're just for your lips. Yes, by Miss Spa, we have Dream Cream. It's an overnight mask, vitamin B5 plus botanical extracts. And then the purple one is Dream Serum, overnight mask, retinol plus grapeseed extract. Lightweight leave-on mask to help replenish moisture while you sleep. We did our lips. We did our face. Now we're moving on to our nails. Look at these gorgeous nail wraps, 12 pieces. And then we have the press-on nails, the different colors for you to enjoy, nail decals. Look at these Pepsi ones. If you're a Pepsi girl, scream out. Then we have brush on nail glue and clear. So if you have your press on nails, here's some nail glue. It's kind of, I guess, I don't know how it works. I haven't tried it. If you have, let me know. We're moving on to our hair. This by Spa Luxury Professional Heat Defense Spray for all hair types. Helps protect hair from moisture loss during hair styling. So is it a heat protected? This may be a dupe for another brand. I can't remember the brand. I have a brand, but I can't remember the name of it. Is it Clairol? I'm not sure. Do not quote me on it. Now this is the name brand Heat Protectant by Alberto VO5 with zero frizz with biotin, and it's a 5 fluid ounce bottle. Detangles, tames, smooth. So the name brand one. Yummy birthday cake pretzel sticks by Pop Daddy, and seen other brands, other flavors with them, but this is the first time I've seen birthday cake. Puzzles, puzzles, puzzles. We have Barbies with the girls and their puppies, and it's 100 pieces. And then we have Hot Wheels, and it's a puzzle, $1.25. And the next one is a different picture of the Barbies. And then there's another picture of the Hot Wheels. These are fabulous finds for if you want to put in an Easter basket. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe one, two, or three or four Dollar Plus items. Enjoy! Here's our last items, and they are the plus section items. And then we have this extendable handle. It has 4 pieces. You can see it's by Essential to assemble. It's cool. And then this other one is called a microfiber duster. $5 as well, I believe. And see, those are the feathers or whatever it's called. And then we have the microfiber mop refilled. So if you need those, and one more item, we have the 2-in-1 microfiber mop refill, as you can see. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification. Subscribe. Like I always say, be blessed until next time, and be better than yesterday.